So tools are one of the things that many gardeners use to make their life a lot easier. So today I'm going to show you my 5 gardening tools that make my life a load easier. So in a garden there are many different things that we all have to do, and that means that there's loads of different tools that do loads of different things. So this list was quite difficult to pick, but I've picked my 5 favourite and most useful gardening tools that I use in my garden here in Wales. And I'm also going to be linking them all down in the description below, so that if any of them take your fancy, you can go back and you can buy them, or you can put them in a wish list and get them at Christmas from friends or family. So my first favourite tool is going to be this, which is the Spear & Jackson planting and weeding tool, which I find really useful. I can use this for just about anything. With the forked end at the end, you can really get down next to plants such as dandelions or weeds such as dandelions, and you can really pluck them out and get the whole root out, rather than leaving a bit and frustratingly it coming back. And you can also, with some other plants, there's a serrated edge that means you can slice the roots, and there's also a hook, so for things like brambles you can hook and cut things, which is really useful. So now on to my second favourite tool. So I have also got, for my second favourites, are secateurs. These are a must-have for any gardener in my opinion, because you can use them for cutting back, you can use them for pruning, you can use them for picking fruit, you can do whatever you want with these. And if you get a good pair and you look after them, they'll last forever. So a good brand that I know of is called Felco, and I'm not affiliated with any of these brands. So Felco is a great brand, but I'm also going to link down in the description with all the other tools a good pair like these that aren't too expensive, that won't break the bank. So the next one, my third favourite tool, is this, which is a Swiss Army knife, specifically the Victorinox make, because these will last you a lifetime. I've had mine for ages and this is still going. I haven't had to sharpen it, and I use this for cutting twine. I can use it for picking things like broccoli. You can just use it for just about anything. This is probably my tool that gets used the most. So once again, this will be linked down in the description. So obviously you saw me using this one at the start, and this is a hoe. And I'm not sure what exact type this is because I'm not an expert on these, but this is really useful for quickly weeding, and I also use it for making a fine tilth when you're about to sow seeds direct into the ground. So this, I think, is also, after the Swiss Army knife, probably one of my most used tools, which is why this is in my top 5 list. So my fifth and final tool on the list for my top 5 gardening tools is a wheelbarrow. So you can use these from everything from lugging around heavy bags of compost, or lugging around things like wood chips, homemade compost. They're really useful in the garden. So just remember, I've got all of these linked down in the description that you can either add to your Amazon wishlist for Christmas, or that you can buy straight away. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.